Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily compress images in a PowerPoint. So at the minute here, I have this PowerPoint. If we just go to properties and look at the size, as you can see, it's 6.32 megabytes. So if I open the PowerPoint up, as you can see, it's just a PowerPoint with a few images on each slide. So to compress the images in the whole PowerPoint, all we have to do is select one of the images, then go to picture format, then click compress pictures, and then if you want to do on all of the images in your PowerPoint, uncheck the box that says apply only to this picture, so they will then apply to all of them, and then you want to select your resolution. So if you want, you can leave it on default, or you can choose an option that you think will be good enough for whatever you need it for. So for example, if I say I want it to only be at the web quality, and then click OK, it will now start compressing the images. And now if I just save the PowerPoint and close it down, if I now look at the properties again, as you can see, that's now significantly reduced the size of the PowerPoint. It's now only 837 kilobytes, so much less than it was before. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.